Ladies and gentlemen, this is Boom Lozano from CBS Sports. We have an exclusive interview with Mr. Ray Lewis right after the Super Bowl victory. We're waiting on Mr. Ray Lewis right now. I hear him coming down the hallway. Somebody screaming. Here he is right now, Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is he crying? Are you crying?
Nothing, we couldn't do it. They tried to deny me. But I talked to the Jesus. I talked to the Jesus.
Okay.
I said, Jesus, you're a Gemini. I'm a Gemini.
Okay.
I'm only 63. I got more to go.
Mr. Lewis, it's such an emotional victory. Jeff Flacco got the MVP, but I heard you got another award.
I didn't get the MVP.
No.
I got the STD.
The STD award?
They gave me the STD award.
Was it
I'm only 56.
I thought you were 63. Mr. Lewis. So, anybody have any tissue?
Lord, thank you. Thank you, Lord. For this Mexican man. You send them to me, Jesus.
See?
They do the ball.
Mr. Lewis.
I tackle.
Mr. Lewis.
All I can. I tackle all I can.
Mr. Lewis, can you shut the fuck up for 1 second, please? Can I ask you a goddamn question?
Go ahead.
Did you stab that man?
Yeah, I got away with it. I'm a murderer.
You're not scared.